Say car, land, transport అని చెప్పు. Teacher, like you said,
Red color car you have. Vicky, you move nana. Move re. Move back side. Move back side re.
Lucky, what is this all? What is this all? Say loudly. Loudly, I want. Say.
Next.
What is this?
Very good. Loudly you say.
Next, what is this? Say loudly, water transport.